Kurumirira kubogwa thirikari ya urumwe ya kuruhaniria ameba amwe kiama-ini kia ODM atongoria aria mari uge kiama-ini giki matikoretwo makiaria rumwe utiganu wa mirugamo yao maundu-ini matiganite ukirurumura ciuria cia haria kiama giki kirugamire thutha wa kugia na gikaro na utongoria wa kiama giki. Mwandiki munene wa ODM Edwin Sifuna ni athiite na mbere kumenereria ameba aria marahurira ndebe ang'etheri ao mbere ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2027.
Call on all our members to remember that ODM remains a distinct political party in competition with all others to win power by democratic means. To this end, we must all be guarded in pronouncements on the future of the party and particularly refrain from beating the drums of our competitors.
Amwe ameba kiama-ini giki ari ni hamwe na minista wa hinya uria uhuthikaga Opiyo Wandayi ni makoretwo makiuga gicigo kia Nyanza ni gikanyita mbaru President Ruto githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2027 mierio iria irarara kamwe ya atongoria kiama-ini giki.
Umeweka Opiyo Wandayi waziri ya energy, umeweka Oparanya waziri ya cooperatives, umeweka Hassan Ali Joho waziri ya fisheries, na utafanya baba kuwe chairman ya AU. Sasa urudi hapa posta ground tuongee mzuri saa hiyo.
Hiyo ni dhihirisho ya kwamba siasa ya Kenya imechukua mkondo mpya. Mheshimiwa Rais, wacha nikuhakikishia kwamba sisi kama watu wa Nyanza tukishaamua vile tumeamua kuungana na wewe katika serikali, ndio kutakuwa msimamo wetu. Leo, kesho na mpaka kesho kutwa.
And you are aware that even legally under the Political Parties Act it is not allowed for members to be preaching the gospel of other political parties other than the parties on which they were elected.
Hamwe noguo Sifuna ni oritie mucirithania munene abacirire macira maria marugamitie kubugwo kamiti ya wamurani kamiti-ini ya IBC akiuga kiama kia ODM ni kimwe gia ciama iria ihutitio na njira nene hokaniturwa iria itari na arugamiriri wadi-ini hamwe na icigo mbunge.
ODM as a party is one of the most affected by this continued state of affairs. We are down 3 members in the National Assembly alone, with pending by-elections in Ugunja, Magarini, and 1 nominated member, all which were held by ODM. We are aware there are court orders in place stopping the empanelment and want to urge the judiciary to expedite the resolution of these cases as a matter of national urgency.
Mierio ya atongoria a kiama kia ODM aria maranyita mbaru thirikari ni kionereria kiama giki kiri mutaratara-ini wa kugarurira kuma kiama kia mung'ethaniro nginya kiama kiranyita mbaru thirikari na muoroto wa kuyukia iturwa nene thirikari-ini kungikinya he wiguano ugakorwo ho gatagati kao na kiama kia UDA mbere ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 no kuriona kiuria gia kana muingi ni ugetikira kurumirira gacira gaka.